Hey guys, welcome to this video. Just going to quickly run over the AUD yen before we close out the day. AUD yen, much like your other yen pairs, I did mention in my Swiss yen video about this. By the way, don't forget to get my free training underneath. Yen pairs generally, if you look at the dollar yen, Swiss yen, the pound yen, CAD yen, the yen has significantly devalued for a significant period of time. You came out from COVID on your AUD and you can see you've come way, way up. Now, what's interesting here is the last time you arrived at key resistance, key rejection, key price action, whatever you want to call it, level, you fell right away and you came right down back to your key moving averages. That was a really, really swift move. I'm quite sure I would have called it short at that time. It's a long time ago, so I have to check my profile. But it was a short because you came back to what was key levels of resistance over here on your left-hand side, and you returned to early monthly support. So very nice technical long zone, very good area to get long for a continued up move. Now, within that continued uptrend, you would expect, if you were going to go higher, to beat the previous high. And what you've got at the moment is classic, really. It's rather ubiquitous in markets that start to stall after a long rise. You can see that the point you're at the moment, okay, is very, very much one that you've hit very recently. And you can see the falls are not as far as they were. So there's clearly not as much sell-side bias here. I would say it is a reshort just because you've got this level here. But I would also say just be a little bit careful and a bit wary if you are going to short this, because you can only touch it so many times before you go through. If you want to be slightly more risk averse and you're willing to wait, perhaps for a higher price, I would consider scaling into the market short above that previous high, in line with several price action levels over here. And you'll probably get somewhat of a market maker stop. If you look on your 12 monthly, you can see the picture very, very clearly. If you had generally stuck to shorting around this area, at least for 20, 30 years, you would have been okay. So anything up here, okay, just be wary that you could go slightly higher than you've been. But anything really slightly higher than where you are constitutes a short, in my opinion. Anything much lower down, you can see again what the picture's like. You're just trading in line with what has happened for a significant period of time. Any drastic change would, of course, change that. But like I said, if you want to trade with logic and what's gone on for a long period of time, then you would look to short this area. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope that helps. See you in the next one.